Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
The desert shimmers, heat blurs the horizon. Is that an oasis ahead? Is it possible to grow food where rain seldom falls? It is. For centuries, people have coaxed life from dry lands. Today, innovative techniques make desert farming more accessible than ever before. Imagine vibrant green leaves unfurling beneath a scorching sun. The impossible becomes possible. This isn't a mirage. This is the future of farming. Let's explore the secrets of growing food in the desert. Desert farming presents unique challenges. Water, the lifeblood of crops, is scarce. The sun, usually a gardener's friend, becomes an adversary, scorching delicate plants. Yet, humans are ingenious. For generations, desert communities have collected dew, channeled infrequent rainfall, and cultivated drought-resistant crops. Now, modern technology joins ancient wisdom, offering new solutions for arid climates. Imagine growing juicy tomatoes without soil, or creating a garden bed that waters itself. These aren't fantasies, but techniques we'll uncover in this essay. Hydroponics? It sounds complicated, but the principle is simple. Imagine a network of pipes delivering nutrient-rich water directly to plant roots. No soil required. This method minimizes water waste, as plants receive precisely what they need. Plus, hydroponic systems can be stacked vertically, maximizing space, a boon in areas where arable land is limited. Imagine fresh lettuce and herbs grown year-round, even in the heart of the desert. Hydroponics makes it possible. Picture a raised garden bed with a hidden reservoir. This is the magic of wicking beds. Water is drawn upwards through capillary action, like a straw in a glass, keeping the soil consistently moist. This ingenious method reduces watering needs and minimizes evaporation. Plants thrive, drawing moisture as needed, while you save time and effort. Imagine never worrying about overwatering or underwatering your plants again. Wicking beds do the hard work for you. Section 5. Shade cloth and mulching, outsmarting the sun. The desert sun, while powerful, can be unforgiving. Its relentless rays can scorch plants, evaporate precious water, and turn a once promising garden into a barren wasteland. But don't despair. There are ways to combat this harsh environment. Shade cloth acts like a cloud, diffusing intense sunlight and reducing evaporation. By filtering the sun's rays, it creates a gentler environment for your plants, allowing them to thrive even in the hottest conditions. This simple yet effective tool can be a game changer for desert gardeners. Mulch, a layer of organic material spread on the soil surface, further helps retain moisture. It acts as a protective barrier, keeping the soil cool and reducing water loss. Mulch also suppresses weeds, which compete with your plants for water and nutrients. By adding mulch, you're not only conserving water, but also improving the overall health of your garden. These simple techniques create a microclimate around your plants, protecting them from harsh conditions. The combination of shade cloth and mulch works synergistically to provide a stable, nurturing environment. This microclimate can make all the difference in the success of your garden. The result? Healthier plants and higher yields. When your plants are protected from the extreme heat and have consistent moisture, they can focus their energy on growth and production. You'll notice stronger, more resilient plants and an abundance of fruits and vegetables. Imagine your desert garden, once a distant dream, now flourishing under the filtered sunlight. The vibrant colors, the lush foliage, and the bountiful harvests are all within reach. With a little effort and the right techniques, you can transform your garden into an oasis. With shade cloth and mulch, you can outsmart the harshest elements. These tools are your allies in the battle against the desert sun. By incorporating them into your gardening routine, you're taking a proactive step towards a thriving, sustainable garden. So, embrace these techniques and watch your garden flourish, even in the most challenging conditions. Section 6. Ancient Secrets, Modern Applications. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world where ancient wisdom meets modern technology. The arid landscapes of the past hold secrets that can transform our future. Remember those ancient desert communities? They thrived in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Their survival was no accident. It was a testament to their ingenuity and deep understanding of their surroundings. They were masters of water harvesting. Ingenious methods like building cisterns, creating intricate canal systems, and using natural land contours to capture and store precious water were commonplace. Today, we can adapt their techniques. By studying these ancient methods, we can learn how to make the most of limited resources. Modern technology allows us to refine and enhance these age-old practices. Collecting rainwater from roofs, even in infrequent showers, can supplement irrigation. This simple yet effective method can significantly reduce our dependence on external water sources. Swales, shallow trenches dug along the contours of the land, slow down and capture rainwater runoff, directing it to thirsty plants. These swales not only conserve water but also prevent soil erosion, making them a dual-purpose solution. These methods, old and new, work in harmony to make desert farming sustainable. By integrating ancient techniques with modern innovations, we can create a resilient agricultural system that withstands the challenges of a changing climate. Imagine harnessing the power of nature to nourish your desert garden. With the right techniques, even the most barren landscapes can be transformed into lush, productive gardens. By combining ancient wisdom with modern innovation, we can create a truly sustainable food system. This fusion of past and present not only honors the ingenuity of our ancestors, but also paves the way for a more sustainable and resilient future. The lessons from ancient desert communities are more relevant than ever as we face global water scarcity and climate change. By looking back, we can move forward with confidence and hope. Section 7. Have you faced the arid challenge? Have you ever tried growing food in a dry climate? What challenges did you encounter? Share your experiences in the comments below. We can learn from each other, exchanging tips and tricks to make desert farming more accessible and successful. Together, we can turn arid lands into bountiful oases. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Section 8. Unlock the secret of self-watering gardens. Want to know the ultimate secret to effortless desert gardening? Stay tuned for our next video, where I'll reveal a simple yet effective method for creating a self-watering system using recycled materials. This DIY project will save you time, water, and effort, allowing you to enjoy the fruits and vegetables of your labor without the constant need for irrigation. Intrigued? Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Section 9. Conclusion: from desert to oasis. From the scorching sands to a flourishing garden, the transformation of a desert into an oasis is nothing short of miraculous. It is a journey that showcases the incredible resilience and creativity of humanity. The journey of desert farming is a testament to human ingenuity. By embracing innovative techniques and respecting ancient wisdom, we have learned to harness the power of the sun, the wind, and the scarce water resources available. Modern agricultural techniques such as drip irrigation and hydroponics have revolutionized the way we approach farming in arid regions. These methods not only conserve water but also maximize crop yields, turning barren lands into productive fields. We can transform arid landscapes into fertile grounds. The transformation is not just about technology, it is also about understanding the delicate balance of the ecosystem. By planting native species and using organic farming practices, we can create a sustainable environment that supports both agriculture and biodiversity. The once desolate desert can become a thriving habitat for plants, animals, and humans alike. So the next time you see a desert, don't just see emptiness. See potential. Imagine the possibilities that lie beneath the surface. With the right knowledge and tools, we can unlock the hidden potential of these vast landscapes. See the possibility of a greener, more sustainable future. Renewable energy projects, such as solar and wind farms, can provide the necessary power to support desert farming initiatives. These projects not only reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, but also create a symbiotic relationship between energy production and agriculture. See an oasis waiting to be born. Every small green patch in the desert is a testament to the hard work and dedication of those who believe in the potential of these lands. It is a reminder that with perseverance and innovation, we can overcome even the most challenging environments. And remember, even in the driest of places, life finds a way. The resilience of plants and animals in these harsh conditions is a source of inspiration. It teaches us that no matter how difficult the circumstances, there is always hope for growth and renewal. The desert, once seen as a symbol of desolation, can become a beacon of hope and a testament to the power of human ingenuity and nature's resilience.